Hey guys, I know I haven't been doing YouTube videos recently and I apologize for that. I've been really busy with school and other things. But the reason I'm doing this video today is because a walkie-talkie I was using has picked up a signal in Morse code. That probably seems like clickbait or fake or staged, but I promise it's not. I've got an audio recording of it on my phone. I'm gonna play that for you guys, so you can just hear it. If anyone knows how to decode this stuff or knows the language of Morse code and could tell me what it translates to, I would be so grateful. So I'm just gonna play it for you guys. I'll play it twice for you, and here we go. Okay, so that was the whole thing. It happens every hour at it's not like precise hour though. It's at like 26 minutes in the hour. And it's on channel 20 of my sister's walkie-talkie. I'll play it for you guys again so you can hear it. I know it's really weird, but here we go. So, once again, if someone could help me decipher this, I'd be so grateful. Thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here's a secret Morse code from a walkie-talkie.